welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, amazing and fab. Today's video is a review video and a collaboration video. This time I have collaborated with the brand called Body Avenue. So Body Avenue have all skincare product, guys. They have skincare range. They are not cosmetic, they are skincare range product. They do have skincare products. So they messaged me, they emailed me asking for a collaboration. So I said yes, and they asked me to purchase any two of their products. So I went ahead and purchased the vitamin C facial serum, and another is the Body Avenue under eye gel. So yeah, this really interested me to get my hands, because this is something facial serum and it do have vitamin C, and this is something for under eyes. So yeah, I went ahead and purchased these two products from the brand. So these two products cost me around $850. This is for, I guess, $549, and this is something $350, I guess. So firstly, I'll be talking about the vitamin C facial serum. This is what the packaging looks like. It comes in this small cartoon packaging, yellow, off-white yellow kind of a color. It says Body Avenue Vitamin C Facial Serum with Hyaluronic Acid, professional use. So on the bottom of the packaging, it says exfoliates and brightens skin, lock moisture in skin, antioxidant, remove dead cells, anti-aging, protect from sun damage. On the packaging, they have mentioned the ingredients. They have also mentioned the description, how to use, suggestions. After cleaning your face, apply vitamin C serum to your fingertips. Gently smooth the serum onto your face and neck, working in small circles. Consistently apply the serum both morning, night after cleansing. Can be used with daily face cream, moisturizer or sunscreen lotion. Don't stretch, pull or rub the skin. So this is what this says. Once you open the packaging, this is what you're gonna get inside. You will have one bottle of facial serum and a droplet. Yep, it do comes with a droplet. And about the Body Avenue under eye gel, this is what the outer packaging looks like. It comes in this white cartoon kind of a packaging. On the packaging, it says intensive under eye regimen gel cream enriched with natural ingredients. On the side of the packaging, it says the Body Avenue under eye cream helps to reduce the appearance of puffiness, under eye circles. This lightweight cream helps in reduce dark circles, puffiness, fine lines and under eye bags. So this is what the outer packaging says. Once you open this up, this is what you will get inside. This is what the actual product looks like. It comes in this white kind of a jar and gold cap. The outer packaging, it's normal, it's not something fancy, but the inner packaging, I do really like the inner packaging of these two products. Texture of this product is liquidy as well as watery. It absorbs really very quickly onto your skin, but I felt like it is not that moisturizing, guys. It is moisturizing but not that moisturizing. You need to apply a moisturizer after applying this facial serum. Vitamin C is really good for your face. It brightens up your skin, and this facial serum have hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is really good for wrinkles, for aging skin. So it do have hyaluronic acid. It do have smell. This serum do have smell. It is not the smell of this product is not something extremely strong. It do have a mild smell. It smells like oranges. Yeah, it do smells like oranges. So the smell is not something that lingers on your face. The smell fades out as soon as this product absorbs into your skin. So the smell is okay-ish. After using it for 1 week, I felt my skin brighten up, glowy, and you know, it removed my dead skin cells after 2 days of continued use, like morning and night. I did notice that I had dead skin coming out from my face. Yep, like near my, oh, upper lip of my area, and near my nose, like this corner of my nose, under my eyes, all those area were flaking out. Yeah, they do have mentioned that it removes dead skin cells. The only down part of this facial serum is that it is not that moisturizing, guys. You need to apply a moisturizer after using this product. Have used facial serums, like, you know, if you just apply facial serum, you don't have to need, you don't need to apply a moisturizer, but you need to apply a moisturizer after using this facial serum. But it's a good product. It does what it claims, like it brightens up your skin, it clears your skin, it removes your dead skin cells. So yay for this product. So the next product we're gonna be talking about is the under eye gel cream. So this product is very lightweight, guys. You don't feel like applying anything. After applying this gel cream on your under eyes, you feel like you haven't applied anything. So it is very, very lightweight, and it is a good product, guys. Like if you are a person who have puffy eyes as soon as you wake up, then this is your go-to product. You can apply this in under your eyes, and the puffiness goes off. It is very lightweight, very, very lightweight. It does not have any smell, guys. It do reduce your puffiness. And about the dark circles, I need to use this whole jar to see, because I have dark circles. Reduced, I can say in 100%, it did reduce my dark circles up to 5%. I need to use this product. I need to finish up this product, and then I can talk to you about, guys, about the dark circle thing. I do have fine lines going on in and around my eyes, so whenever I apply this gel cream under my eyes, and then I apply my concealer or foundation, my fine lines fades out, little bit fades out. So yeah, it's a good under eye cream, guys. Comparing to these two products, I do really like their facial serum, vitamin C facial serum. It suited me, it suited my skin really well, and it brightened up my skin. So this is love for me. They do have hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is really good. It's really fab for skin. So yeah, I do really like the vitamin C facial serum. Yeah, overall these two products are great. Body Avenue brand is available on Amazon. They do have all the skincare range. So if you are planning to purchase, go ahead and purchase it. I will link the Amazon link in the description box for you guys. So yeah, it's not something expensive, guys. Facial serums are expensive. You will get it for 800 rupees, 1000 rupees, 2200 rupees, but this facial serum is under 1000 rupees, under 700 rupees, and this gel cream is under 500 rupees, like 350 rupees. So it's a great deal, guys. What are you waiting for? Go ahead right now. I will link the Amazon link in the description box for you guys. So yeah, I'll wrap up this video here, and yeah, that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then please do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done. The subscribe button is right on the screen. Hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out any of my updates. So yeah, I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye, guys.